Dear children, welcome to the online class. Today we shall have the class for 7th standard, the poem If. If, this poem is written by Anand. Here you can see only two meanings. First I'll read out for you. Bestow on someone means give someone. Pain you can ease, free someone from pain or worry. Okay children, we shall have some pre-reading task here. Giving is important in life. To give someone something, you must yourself be kind. Giving is more important than taking children. Giving is showing the selflessness, but whereas taking shows selfish thing. So you want to give something for somebody, you must be kind-hearted, strong and charitable. You should have these good qualities. So we shall see more about all these good qualities in this poem. The poem If. In this if only we can see negativity, but the poet wants to show many positive things through this poem. If you have a kind words to say it now. If you have some kind words to say in the time of need, you have to express it before better in delaying. If you have something to give it now. If you want to give something for somebody, give it now. Do not delay in giving or expressing your gratitude. If you make someone glad or another less sad, if you want to make someone happy by your deeds, do it now or another less sad. If somebody is in a great pain or unhappiness, you want to share your good words with them and you try to make less sad by your consoling words. Do it now, do it now, do it now. But all you want to do now, do it now. Do not wait for tomorrow. Because time and tide wait for none. As we all know, time is not waiting for anybody. So what all you want to do, you must do. What all the things you want to do tomorrow, do it today. What all the things you want to do today, do it now itself. This only poet wants to convey us. If you can make someone glad or another less sad, do it now, do it now, do it now. If there is good news to give it now. If you have any good message to share with somebody, share it now, do it now. If there is friendship to show, hope you can raise. If sometimes we all will be having some clashes with our friendship children. So that enmity should not continue in our life. So we want to be as a friendly, in friendly nature. So you want to share that friendship with your friends. If there is friendship to show, hope you can raise. So what it means, if you have friendship to show with your friends, so hope you can raise. You can raise by yourself and make it possible. Or someone you can praise, or someone will be doing a good things, means what we will feel, we don't want to find out their good things. So that shows our jealousness. But as a human being, we should not be like that, and we have to praise even our enemy also. If he does good things, we have to praise wholeheartedly. Do it now, do it now, do it now. Tomorrow I will do, day after tomorrow I will do, sometimes I will do, not like that. You want to do all these good things, you want to do just now, do it now. If you have trust in bestow, give it now. If you want to give something to someone, give it now. That may help them in the time of need. So do not wait for tomorrow or sometime. Give it now. If there is courage to give, pain you can ease. If somebody is in great loss or pain, misery, so what is our duty? We have to encourage them by our good words. We have to encourage them and give courage to them. So if they are in pain, we must try to free from the pain, free from someone from pain or worry. Or someone you can please. So you want to please somebody, you can do it now. Do it now, do it now, do it now. Now before it is too late, now is the time for the good deed. Do not wait until tomorrow, for it may be just a little too late. Because we should not wait for the time to come as according to our convenience. Not like that. We should do all those things accordingly for the sake of others. These things should help others in some or the other way. So we have to do all these things when we are in the need. Once again, I'll read out the poem lines. If you have a kind words to say it now. If you have something to give it now. If you can make someone glad or another less sad, do it now, do it now, do it now. If there is good news to give it now. If there is friendship to show, hope you can raise, or someone you can praise, do it now, do it now, do it now. If you have trust to bestow, give it now. If there is courage to give, pain you can ease, or someone you can please, do it now, do it now, do it now. Now before it is too late, now's the time for the good deed. Do not wait until tomorrow, for it may be just a little too late. This poem is written by Anand. So in this poem you can find so many good qualities. Good qualities as kindness, strength, generosity, charitability, again helping towards the poor and needy, and saying good words and doing good deeds. If you have the textbook, children, read out the poem lines and try to learn and by heart it. Our next class we shall have the notes regarding this poem. Okay, thank you.